Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. So, what we're going to be demonstrating today is some of the ways we can manipulate and edit our import functions in Python. And I mean that in the sense that we're going to be changing them for our benefit, either by way of efficiency or by way of making it faster for us to write out their commands. When you're working in Python, you might want to have more commands than you get in the basic package. So what you do is you import a module, such as time, random, math, OS, and you don't need to import in the same way. The standard way is just import. We'll use math as an example. If you want another one, we'll do random. Right. And you can use them however much you want, using their commands. Random.ran int 9 to 10, 9, do math dot 4, 5 to 5, we get 5, and you can manipulate this a little bit. You can put them on the same line using a semicolon. Let's just change the math one so it looks different. 3 and 4. You don't need to use semicolon, you can use a comma. Let's go and change the math one so it looks different so you can see it. 2 and 9. But there is more past that, right? We'll put math on its own line. We'll import random, and you can change the name. Import random as rand. As you can see, that's now yellow because it's not defined, but rand is now defined. Just change the math again. And as you can see, random is now rand. You can do the same with math. We'll do it as mat. Math is now yellow. Mat is not yellow. Didn't change anything. As you can see, we get 6 and a 5. So they've changed. There is more. And we're going to do this with time. So you can do from the module you want, and then import, and then do an asterisk. And what that will do is that we'll just import the commands without needing to specify a thing. So if we do time.sleep, we don't need to do time actually, we just do sleep. I've misspelled that horribly. Goodness. Sleep 5 and then print done. As you can see, it's still running. Wait 5 seconds. Done. It works with the other module, so you can do that with random. Random import, and then asterisk, and you'll see we don't even need rand anymore. Bang, just 6. They can be doubled up, as you can see, no errors. They can all be doubled up with a semicolon. As you can see, we've not got any errors. Still printing out just fine. Yeah, that's a good chunk of the import manipulation. Goodbye. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment especially because I like learning how you learn, and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.